So if you've been watching my video so far, remember I did mention technical analysis, sentimental analysis, as well as fundamental analysis. So the sentiments of the people in the market sometimes affect the market. With all that's happening in the world, with the Omicron sister, and all the other inflation factors affecting the market, there's a lot happening. So in cryptocurrency, we have something we call the fear and greed index. In general financial markets, the sentiment of the people is really important, and it also affects the flow of the market. But usually what you can see is that the best investors always advise you buy when the market is fearful and sell when the market is super greedy. If you have funds available and you want to invest, you could sometimes go by this principle. All I'm trying to say is we are in deep times and great times. The market is at its lowest point. I think yesterday, fear greed index went as low as 16, yes, I think. And then we have other figures rising soon. So yes, everybody is fearful. Well, everyone is in the bearish mode. But you know what to do next. That's all I can say here. And this, I just wanted to share that. If your heads up, if you have some funds invested, you are a retailer, yes. You are, in quotes, I can just put as if you are a pawn in the bigger game. You're here to make some profits, but like the market makers are there, or the institutions are there doing their own thing at the top. So you know how to play your cards right and find a way to make something out of the market. And when you work out the sentiments and you see people are fearful, the indicators are showing people are afraid of what's happening in the market. There's one thing that comes in mind. You have spare funds available that will fall within your budget, that will fall within your risk limit. What then do you do? So Buffett would tell you be fearful when others are greedy, be greedy when others are fearful. And Rothschild will tell you buy when there's blood in the streets, even if the blood is your own. Well, yesterday I tweeted and I said, person, we get money for house. Now in the whole token, understand? Yeah, so if it's not within your means, don't go for it. Wait, let the market bottom, then maybe you can jump in. Probably when you see little greens and you see people a little bit hopeful, you can come in. But if you're cool enough for the game, why not kill it? And one last thing I have to say is my last picture. Usually when Binance is sending out all their messages, they end with a risk warning. Cryptocurrency trading is subject to higher market risk. Please make your trade cautiously. Advise that Binance is not responsible for your trading losses. So yes, the risk management falls in your own hands. You are the controller of the whole system. Know when to take profit, know when to back out, and know when to stay in.